How to fix Facebook professional mode requests pending. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys what you can do if your professional mode request is pending. So what you can do first is head over to your profile, just tap on your profile, and then tap on the three lines or the three dots on your profile. Here you will see an option to turn on professional mode. But if you have tapped here and it says the request is pending, then what you can do is take a screenshot of this page like this, and then you can head back to your menu section, then scroll down until you see help and support, then tap on report a problem. Tap on report, and Facebook will create a ticket. Tap on don't include. Here you have to choose your profile because the problem is related to your profile. You can upload the screenshot that you have just taken. And once your screenshot is uploaded, you can just head over and click on the describe issue, saying that your professional mode request is pending and you would like to fix this problem quickly. Then send this to the Facebook help and support team. After this, they will contact you within 24 hours, or it might take 48 hours depending on the volume of requests they're receiving. And after that, you can just expect a reply from the Facebook help and support team on your email. And you just have to follow the steps and guidance they have provided you, and you should be able to turn on your professional mode in no time. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next one.